Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Monday morning and we are off going to work today. I just wanted to address a couple things. What I have been noticing is there has been a lot of I guess you want to say, I don't want to say negativity because I don't think it's that. I just think that it seems like there's a lot of people that, number one, are not happy with the fact that I am doing Optavia now, and or there are just people out there who troll around and find it necessary, I guess you could say, to let me know how much that I shouldn't be doing it, and they don't feel it's appropriate, and there's a whole host of reasons that I'm getting. I'm getting messages that I look horrible. I'm getting messages that, you know, just, I'm not even going to go into it, but, you know, I want to address it because I know that my channel has been keto based for such a long time. And before that, if you have been a long-term subscriber, I did many kinds of different weight loss plans on this same channel. I did Weight Watchers, and I did MetaFast and Wonder Slim. I believe those are the ones that I did on this channel. So for those of you who have followed me through up until now, thank you for sticking around. But for those of you who kind of popped on here just for keto, I just want you to know that it still is my life, and there are going to be times where maybe I try something new. Maybe I want to try something new, and maybe I have to try something new to better my health. And I'm not saying that keto is bad or is going to be out of my life permanently. It's just, you know, you'll have to go back a couple of videos and watch my reasons why I'm doing this right now. And, you know, I kind of feel bad because I get it when you follow somebody on YouTube for a while and then, you know, something might change in their channel. You know, some people aren't comfortable with change. Some people don't like change. I don't know. Personally, I follow a ton of people on YouTube, and when their channel evolves and they do new things, it doesn't really bother me, and I will never put a negative comment or a negative message out to these people. I just feel like those people that do that, they're either lonely or upset with themselves, or like they find time out of their day to insult and put down people. And you know, that's okay. It really doesn't hit me hard like I think they're trying to get me to react. But I feel bad that they had to take time out of their day, number one, to sit down and write such negative things. And number two, you know, if they're disappointed in my channel, that's the way they feel. And I acknowledge that, and I get it. Somebody said it's like Feliciannurse, it's like having a loss. Like, I feel like the old you is not around anymore. I don't know what the old me is. I'm just me. And like you guys, we all evolve. We do new things sometimes, and it's okay to express that to me. I can respect that. But you know, I just kind of wanted to acknowledge some of the hate because it's getting to be a little bit much. You know, I have no problem if you want to attack me in any way, but you know, you start bringing my family into it and saying that I'm an unhealthy example to my family, and you know, I'm sorry, this Jersey girl is not going to tolerate that. No way. You can say whatever you want to me, don't bring my family into it. That's where I draw the line. I just think that's totally disrespectful and uncalled for. So anyway, I just wanted to say that. But if any of you guys out there feel the need to express disappointment in my channel or the fact that I am doing Optavia, you know, by all means, I'm not going to be upset by it. I will acknowledge you and talk to you about it. What I would appreciate, though, is the ones that are saying how this is not real food and, you know, it's full of junk. I think you really should just educate yourselves a little bit before saying those things, because it is real food and it's not junk. You know, this is my channel, and what I do in my life, I will put out there, and I will, number one, never lie to you. Now, I could be the kind of YouTube girl where I'm on this plan, but telling you that I'm on keto, and that would be such a lie. That is not me. I don't do that. I could have hid this from everybody, and everybody probably would have just assumed I was still on keto. While I'm still in fat burning mode today, similar to that of keto, I'm not eating high fat, low carb, and I won't lie to you. I have never lied to you. And, you know, I find pride in myself that I don't do those things, because I know that there are YouTubers out there that do that. I don't do this for subscribers. I don't do this. I don't live in the lap of luxury. I'm not making a fortune off my channel. You know, I really don't own much. So, you know, cut me a break, guys. You know, I'm doing what I need to do for myself. I feel really good. Take a step back. Like my channel or not like it, whatever is good for you, but cut me some slack, because it's my life and I am just sharing with you my life, right? I'm not dictating what you guys should do. I'm just sharing what I'm doing. So anyway, that's pretty much my little rant today. I have gotten many requests lately on doing some other things incorporated into my channel, such as clothing hauls, try-ons. People want to see how I do my makeup or hair, and I'm kind of wanting to test the waters with that, you know, lifestyle stuff, but I'd like your opinion. So if you would comment below what you feel about that part, evolving my channel into incorporating a little bit more lifestyle stuff, let me know. I think it would be fun. You know, I take trips to, you know, Ulta and Sephora and the mall and Harmon and Bed Bath & Beyond and all that stuff. Home Goods, love that place. Would you like to see that kind of stuff? I don't know. Let me know. Try-ons, I would be more than happy to bring you in the fitting room and show you what I'm trying on. Clothing hauls, I don't know. I just kind of want to evolve, because I am evolving, and I would love to know your thoughts on that. So leave a comment below, and I will talk to you all soon. And thank you for sticking around. For those of you who are supportive, I appreciate it more than you know. And for those of you who don't agree with any of this and are disappointed, then I apologize for that, but I won't apologize for doing what is the best thing for me and for allowing you into my life. Okay? So have a great day, everybody. Stay focused. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.